don't know if this is going to be good or not, but for starters with this, it's a DeLong High espresso machine. It's hard. It's centered now. I think that's good. It's hard to get that handle thing. It doesn't slide good. No, you're not under. Are you going to try both at one time? Here's the other one. There's 2 holes down there. And you line it up.
So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You might better hold the cups. A lot of vibrating happens. Wow. The only thing it's not doing is the little button up at the top. It never goes to green, but the water is plenty hot. Dawn's gonna debug it some more. We cleaned it and I guess I can reach up when you tell me. We cleaned it and what's the word, descaled it and really cleaned up all the parts. And
okay, I would say that's good.
yeah? You don't want to go closer?
Yeah, you go a little bit more then.
I mean, I'm paying attention.
Okay, there we go.
Okay.
We'll only make pretty little cups.
It does.
But where's my swirl on top?
Yeah, right, your pretty picture.
Yeah, where's my...
Way cool. I helped Dawn fix an accident in the kitchen, and now he's helping me fix an accident in the kitchen, and we're not having a calm, nice Sunday morning. It's
nobody's hurt, no monetary losses, but emotional
distress. It's all fixable. It's just been
programmable stuff.
Yeah, Dawn spilled coffee, and I accidentally put a very complicated smart
coffee. The coffee maker spilled the coffee.
Dawn spilled coffee, and I put a very complicated smart switch into pairing mode and lost all of my programming.
Yes, it has 6 or 4.
Well, it has 3 USB outlets up top that are one addressable thing, and it has 3 smart plugs, which I guess I wasn't using, so the fact that we lost them is no big deal. But I needed an Alexa addressable USB thing. Yes. And I needed more plugs in the kitchen. Yes. So I got this Mamba Jamba. I go big. Go big or go home. I sure am enjoying this warm weather. It's supposed to be 74 today, and it's probably 70 already. Dawn was talking about turning the air conditioner in the house back on, especially if I start cooking. And Dawn did get this going for me yesterday, the Penguin, all situated. You know, we had a GFCI problem, and that was one of the things somebody messed with the straightness of the, there we go. We had a GFCI issue, and Dawn sorted it yesterday. There was lots of little things Dawn sorted yesterday. And it's just warm, humid, nice, outside. We've got so many more things to do today. Dawn's going to get the Christmas tree down for me. Michelle told me I'm too young to not have a Christmas tree when we were at Guardian Angel. And I'm just going to think about how I haven't done what I'm supposed to do. And then we just end up putting it up anyway. So, I mean, I really enjoy it once it's up. It's just the one decorating item that I don't enjoy doing. Don doesn't enjoy it either because he has to do all the work of setting up the tree. Tomorrow while he's working, I'll decorate it. I'm not going to decorate today. It looks plenty pretty with just the lights on. I mean, I might put a couple ornaments on the tree, but I really want to work on the Alpine Lodge and don't want to be walking back and forth in front of Dawn for 5 hours. And, you know, I can work on it tomorrow. I'm home tomorrow. I think I'm home tomorrow. I better be home tomorrow. Life is so busy. It's funny how it's not any easier now that I'm not driving on the road every day. It feels almost busier. Hey, buddy. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I bet you weren't on your heating pad too much today. It's just too hot. But he has this chair here on the end, or the nice little bed over there that he can sleep in if he doesn't want heat. Good morning, Gray. How are you? Hopefully better late than never with your chicken. Oh, yes, that's a good girl. That's a good girl. Let's put down the good stuff and take away the empty bowl. Thank you for being so good and cleaning your bowl. I've been trying to feed her, you know, the right amount, so she gets a full belly but doesn't leave any. She goes, food's good, Mom, but I'm excited to see you. We realized this my 10th Christmas living in the house, and this is the 10th year for this Christmas tree.
Yeah.
We had written on the box. Yeah, it's on the top of the box.
Ooh, 2013.
Marianne, Dawn, Joey and Johnny Christmas tree. Yeah. So we could not put up the tree this year, Donnie.
Oh, that's right, sure.
I decorate, he sets up and fluffs.
Yeah.
You're the best Christmas tree fluffer ever.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Oh, you had to get the step stool, huh? Yeah, for the angel, to get the angel right.
Yeah, I'm lost the, I'm looking for the,
Cord for?
Here it is.
Okay. Yeah, because you did something to make it easier last year or the year before, something like that.
Absolutely correct.
Gray says video editing time is her favorite time of the day. I'm happy the tree is up. You know, honestly, right now I could live with it just like this. I think it's got so many pretty bulbs, ornaments on it, lights, but I will add some stuff. Michelle gave me this tree skirt a few years ago, the elf legs. I love it. It's so cute. I think I finally got I added one or two things to the Snow Babies table, but it's, you know, done, and I finessed my little people. This is not a great spot for them, but they're out here, and I'm happy about that. I've got a couple of different sets mixed together there, but that's okay. My Left in Village pieces. I got down my advent calendar here that I bought at Guardian Angel either last year or the year before. It keeps the cats from chewing on accidentally the fragile little wire that lights this tree. Every year I've put something over that wire. Don helped me get my Japanese figurines on the shelf this morning. He stood up there while I handed them to him. That's about half of them, because you might remember last year they were on this shelf, and I'm not moving my mugs. I don't, you know, if you take it down, you got to have some place to put it, and I didn't want to deal with that, so I just loaded them up here, and I put my favorites up there. There's more. There are more of them. I got out the Michael's elves that the boys and I collected when they were little. That was such a fun thing with them. They have to be out. And I found my cat cookie jar. And I've got at least one nutcracker out. I have 30 nutcrackers, but they're heavy, and you know, if I want to put them out one year, then I wouldn't put out the Left in Village. I would leave the Left in Village upstairs, and I would haul down the nutcrackers and fill the whole hearth with nutcrackers. But now that I get to do a few mom things Mom likes. I love the nutcrackers too, but I'd rather have my village. So we're going to go for a short walk up at South Park. I got to spin my Pokestops anyway. There's 2 more lights to put in over here. 2 more smart plugs. And we'll fool with that later today or tomorrow. I almost forgot to record a video that we were up here walking. Not used to walking after 4 in the afternoon. I just said good morning to somebody and had to correct myself. It was kind of funny. No weight vest today, so I'm running. We'll be back on the trail tomorrow. No run tomorrow. Well, now you can add being able to see the Christmas tree through the window. So it looks really nice. Don's tree still looks good with the red on it, even though it's lost its leaves. Yep. Little light yet, but we're home just in the nick of time. It's not fair when it's 5:07 p.m. and it's this dark. It's just not fair.
Yeah, I understand.
Don ended up cooking us bacon and eggs right before he set up the tree, so we're not starving at 5:30. I am going to work on my Alpine Lodge for about an hour, and then we've got some steaks to cook up. Porterhouse steaks, nice steaks. But I want to work on it a little bit today. I can probably finish the log cabin walls in an hour. Well, I have 2 1x2 tubes left, but I need 4 1x1 tubes. I'm not upset about it. They're easily stuck on at any time that I acquire them. I'm not sure if his instructions were wrong or I did something wrong. I know one of his steps, I got to push that over. I had this apart a minute ago and something's just not snapped in. There we go. Just right. That's better. I fixed the floor in here where by the stairs it was the wrong color. There was tan and white in there. And I fixed that and I had to take some stuff apart. I meant to fix it before I finished the whole darn second floor, but you know, nothing like a little challenge for myself. Anyway, I'm missing 4 pieces, but they're outside pieces and can be added on. I'm not upset about it. I don't know if it was him or me. There was one step where he said to use all 1x1 tubes, and I knew it was 1x2 tubes, and I used 1x2, and it was a lot of pieces, and I'll let him know nicely that that step is not right, and it wouldn't have changed the outcome of what I'm missing either. I think his total count on tube length was right, except for I've got, like I said, I've got 2 1x2s, and I need 4 1x1s. So I think his length count was right, but maybe got confused about the parts. This is all flattened out and ready, and I don't know, the next phase is whatever the roof is. So that'll be tomorrow. I'm done for the night. I'm going to cook steaks. It's a little after 7 now, and I've got to stop. I'm ready to stop. I'm stopping.